everybody, it's Julie. Welcome to my kitchen tonight. Today, whatever time of day it is, it's probably what, 2:30, 3 o'clock here in Texas. And it's been raining all day, so yes, the Texas weather is fixing to be up in the air. You know, one morning you'll be wearing your heaviest overcoat. Then you're gonna shred down to your long sleeves and your jeans. And then by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you're gonna be putting in a t-shirt and shorts. So, you know, that's Texas weather for us. But anyway, we're gonna make an apple pie. Actually, we're making two. One is a sweet apple pie, and the other one is a sugar-free apple pie. Okay, what you're needing is, I had these in the oven, in the freezer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these in the oven for about 20 minutes here in a minute. Or let them thaw a little bit and then put them in. We need half a cup brown sugar. I'm going to use the Splenda brown sugar. You can hear the babies in the background. Yes, they're in the back playing. That's Percy Ray. Okay, then we're going to need, I use the Great Value sweetener. I also use Splenda, which is fine. That's no big thing. It's still the same. Okay, we're going to do ground ginger, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, 1 egg per pie, butter, lemon juice, and I think that's, apples. So anyway, let me get the rest of my stuff together and we'll start baking.
What's tough, not you and me long time ago. And we were teens with tremendous dreams, always playing king and queen. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun, and then we cross America. Looking back, about 20 years or so, when I close my eyes I see how we all were tripping with beliefs, ooh, and our hearts were young and free. We had set our minds to leave, face the world on wheels, cross the borders of Morocco, take a journey to Dubai, fight the pirates stuck in Disneyland Paris, take a swim in salty water, drinking stars and holy sun,
that does it for me tonight. I have made 2 apple pies, a lemon pie, and 2 chocolate pies, all within this little time period of us cooking the apple pies. So anyway, I hope y'all have a great evening. We'll see you later, and stay tuned, click subscribe, do whatever you need to do to see when I have something sugar-free coming up, and which will be in a day or two, because I'm going to be making some sugar-free cookies. So talk to you later. See you, bye.